Howdy. Hey, this is Jacob. I'm with Family Tree Roofing. I'm out here doing a repair attempt for Janice McPherson. Claim number 3652B436X. Address to this property is 2810 South Pittsburgh Avenue, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Temperature out here is 76 degrees Fahrenheit. So basically what I'm going to do is the insurance company, you guys have paid for some shingles, of course this one with wind damage. There is a spot over here on the front of the roof. I've got a tarp there. A tree limb had fell in there, created a hole in the roof. So I put a tarp there to, make sure that that's safe, no leaking for right now. That way we can get Janice helped out properly. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this shingle, put the other shingle in that you guys said to put in. The size is a little bit different. The exposure is 1/8 inch longer, but I'm going to do everything you guys say to do. Be real gentle with the shingles and install this one and see if this repair attempt works. So basically what I need to do is get these to unadhere, which isn't that hard. You can see all the debris underneath the shingles already. That's telling you that they're not adhering very well. See that? So we'll pull these up. Can't do this one, it's already ripped off. So these are all up. See all the debris. So go under here. Find my nails. There's one. Pull through. Pulling that nail out, you can see across the rib, a tear in the shingle. Same with that one. Across a tear in the shingle right here. See? There's the shingle. And the old one. See the size isn't the same. Longer. So we got that. See all the debris underneath? So what I'm going to do is slide the new one in. See, it's overhanging the other ones. the nail gun. So after installing that, you see, shingle's good. Got the nails in there where we need to. Put another one right here. Throw that in there. So, as you can see from lifting up on these, causing a crease. On that one, this one right here, causing more damage. Same thing right here with creasing. Right there and there. This one not so bad. Oh, I guess we got one right here, almost in the middle. This one's good. Don't see much creasing on it. Same with this. You can see the granules are all on here where they came off from the creasing. You got a crease right here as well. Here. Nothing on this one. This one's good too. So after doing this repair, what we've got where we're causing more damage, where it's causing creasing from the edge of the shingle, being able to get in there and nail those in properly. I was really gentle with it, bringing them up. Also, you know, this doesn't fit the roof actually, so it's actually it's overhanging the other shingles as well. But the main deal is what we got is we're causing more damage to the shingle with creasing. So with this, I'm gonna go ahead and say that this repair is a fail by just causing more damage to Janice's roof by trying to do these repairs, especially over here where the tree fell in. Also some pipe boots that were damaged from hail that were paid for. I've got to replace the shingles around that. So I'm recommending a full roof replacement for Janice McPherson. Thank you.